Wait a second. I bought the policy from you guys.
A Green Country man is out thousands of dollars after a burglary back in July, but it's his insurance company that's giving him an even bigger headache. And as it turns out, the company he bought the policy from isn't actually the one handling his claim, and getting it approved has been anything but easy. In a 2 Works for You Problem Solvers Consumer Report, we found out there are some things you need to know when buying renter's insurance and filing a claim.
I was basically desperate, and I called you guys, possibly seeking some help.
It's been a whirlwind couple of months for Anthony Goebel. His rental property burglarized in early July, where he says crooks made off with nearly $12,000 in irreplaceable items.
Some of it were presents. And some of these expensive leather jackets were given to me by the owners of those companies when I used to have a nightclub in Aspen. I got very friendly with a lot of celebrities.
Frustrated, Goebel filed a police report and contacted his agent in Tulsa that sold him a Geico renter's insurance policy. The premium, $25 a month.
And they said, no, we don't handle any claims.
To Goebel's shock, he says the local Geico told him the office isn't licensed to do so, and that he'd have to deal with a company called Assurant out of Florida to process the claim.
I said, well, how can you do that? How can you possibly do that to me? I called you guys locally because I wanted to deal with a local agent if anything ever happened.
Goebel says Assurant told him in order to process his claim, agents would need to see the receipts and pictures for every item. Unfortunately, Goebel only had a few, and 2 weeks later, he received a letter that his claim was denied.
They're in Florida. I'm here. What can I do when they say they're denying my claim?
2 Works for You Problem Solvers reached out to the Oklahoma Insurance Department, who says requesting receipts or pictures is a common request from an insurance provider to approve a claim.
The homeowner needs to show that they actually had ownership in the items that were taken.
Mike Rhodes with the OID stresses that renters or homeowners take inventory of their belongings and secure their records. However, he says receipts are not required by statute to get a claim approved by an insurance company. And if you're like Goebel, you can appeal your denied claim.
The best way to do that is through the Department of Insurance, through our Consumer Assistance Division, and let us assist the individual with that appeal.
And when it comes to an insurance company passing off the handling of claims through other providers, the OID says
it is disappointing from our standpoint as a regulator that the agent would not provide some additional assistance in this matter.
Well, the problem solvers put Goebel in touch with the Oklahoma Insurance Department, which is now investigating. Assurant will have 20 days to explain why it denied the claim, and the OID will determine if the denial was legit or if the company needs to pay up.